What's going on, little big girl farmer?
So, today, people, this is gonna be my mommy's little garden harvest day. So, this is actually sweet, and it can get on your clothes. And it's got a tomato. Tomatoes can be a little messy, but when we eat it, it actually has seeds. So when I buy it, I'm going to show you the seeds that is inside, okay? And they're good for your body. If you eat candy, then you'll get a stomach ache, like Johnny. And that's why we had to eat healthy. Okay, bye.
What's going on, everybody? It's Letitia with Barefoot Gardening. I hope that you're doing well. Just a little garden harvest today. This cucumber, yeah, probably should have harvested it a long time ago. But got some more red burgundy bush beans and green beans. And then I had about 7 of these. A little big girl farmer has attacked them since I came in the house. Didn't even give me time to do the video. So I'm excited that tomatoes are starting to come in. I just cleaned up a heck of a jungle. My raised bed outside, the new one, Purple Rain, the tomato plants are just going everywhere. So I pruned those back and got it all straightened up. So you can see all the pruning I did, right? Crazy. Also found some squash bug eggs on the tomatoes. So just because they're not squashes or melons, the squash bug eggs will lay their family on tomato plants as well. So you need to really just check everything, the undersides of every crop in your garden, because they just, yeah, do they thing. So here's the raised bed that I was talking about with the tomatoes. There's 3 plants here. They're all black cherry tomato plants, and like you couldn't even walk in here. So I've got it cleaned out for the most part. I cut back some of the mint as well, but it needs to be cut back even more. But yeah, these poor tomato plants were just everywhere. I'm concerned a bit because I think one plant may have broke at the top, but I'm just gonna, it's not all the way broke off. It's not even, you can't even really see the inner flesh, so I'm leaving it. I'm just trying to help support it. But other than that, y'all, it's been a gorgeous, beautiful day to harvest. There's my red burgundy bush bean patch there. It's just amazing to harvest your own food and take it in the house and eat it. Like that never gets old. It just doesn't get old. But these mosquitoes biting me do. Daggone it. Hold on just a second. I think I mentioned these cucumbers in another video. I can't remember, but these are the Space Saver. I do believe the Space Saver cucumbers, and I was wondering if they were going to ever vine, and they are. So the plants got pretty big before they actually started to create tendrils, and so I'm glad I have this trellis here to help it a little bit. But just FYI, the Spacemaster cucumber does eventually grow tendrils, and so it would be great to trellis those vertically to save some space in your garden, especially on the ground, because if you don't, they'll trail everywhere, just like this watermelon vine is doing, right? So I have been guiding the vine over to the fence, and so I need to grab this guy right here and take him over there as well. But growing vertically really does help save a lot of space if you can do it. And you can make trellises out of sticks, poles, whatever that you have, really. You just want the crop to grow up instead of out sprawling all over the floor. So just a tip. Let's get back to the harvest. Okay, here I have some Paris Cost lettuce and some dino kale. And yeah, there's significant bug damage, but I don't see any eggs or other insects on the bugs, and that's why I'm kind of soaking them and looking through. I'll still eat them. Now I would never unless the client didn't mind. But I would not personally put this on the table for somebody to eat, unless it's my family, just my family. But you know, but I'm gonna eat it. Okay, if there's no eggs on it, I will eat it. So just soak them real good like that for a couple minutes, or for a few minutes, and we're all ready to go. Look at there, celery growing in July. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.